Alright guys, this is the pool. We just opened it up. And this is what it looks like. Looks like Coca-Cola. We're going to give you a video of how to fix it, because right now we're going to put a case of shock. Just in case if you ever run into this before and you don't know what to do. Alright? We'll get back to you. Bye. Okay guys, this is what we did. We used a case of shock. This is actually from the what you call it, that cheap store. Then we have this pH increaser. We put a little bit of that, walked around the whole pool, put that in there. I had like a little bit of this stuff. I told you. So I also have, I put some of those chlorine tablets. I filled it up, filled the float up. So it's no more Coca-Cola looking like, but you know, it's a step up. I was concerned. I thought I had to take out the whole, empty out all the water and then refill it. That was my concern. But we still have stains right now. But I'm sure after this is all cleaned up, we'll be able to go around and brush it. After all this thing starts to get filtered. And obviously I don't have the water hooked up completely, so I got the hose going directly down to the bottom, going into the pump. So it's shooting back out. So to circulate the water and mix all the chemicals together. It smells like chlorine over here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a sample, and then I'm going to go to the pool store down the street, and then we'll find out what else we're going to need to put in here. So obviously going to need some more water, but we're not far from it. So just keeping you guys posted. I'm trying to do this video because, you know, I haven't seen a video of why we have a Coca-Cola looking like pool and how to fix it. So that's why we're doing this for you guys. Hope this is a benefit. Okay, well, this is what we did. This is day 2. It's getting better. Went to the pool store, gave him a sample, bought another case of shock. They told us to put another case of shock in, 2 pounds of this stuff, pH increaser, whole bag of this Balance Peak, and then a stabilizer. What this will do is help out the shock so it doesn't get eaten up so quickly. And it's pretty much what we got going on right now. Still waiting for the water to reach the level so I can take the hose off. There's that, what do you call it, the stabilizer. You got to put it in the skimmer, so can't do that right now. Gonna have to wait for the water to fill up. But it's starting to look better, you know, better than it did before. Oh, jeez. It's dark, real dark. Dark and scary. So let's hope that we can get this pool up and running shortly. I said I'd give it like a day or something. Maybe a day or 2. But we'll keep you posted on this. Remember, this is one whole video, so this is the other part for it. Alright, I'll see you. Bye. Okay, so day 3. It's still looking better. Get the water going. It's good in there. I just started putting this stuff in. Put half of it, and then you got to take the skimmer basket out when you do that, or it's just going to pile up and clog. But then I went to go buy this stuff because I went to the pool store again, and they told me, oh yeah, just put half of this. I put a little more than just half of that in there. And then this stuff right here to clear it, she says you only need 2 ounces. So I pretty much only put 2 ounces. So I guess we're going to have to see how everything else works out. So we'll get back to you. Next video coming up. Well, it's, like I said, hopefully it's going to be one video. Got to figure out how to do that too. But yeah, Memorial Day, it's a nice day. It's not too hot, so at least the kids are not crying about going to swimming. That's cool. But we're gonna get this thing up and running before it's that time. All right, guys, have a great day. All right, guys, this is day 5. And now you can see the bottom of the pool, which is super awesome. Happy about that. The only thing was, filter like that, you gotta take the cartridge out all the time and clean it out and redo it. Chemicals. You put 3 cases of shock. You put the stabilizer. You put the rest, almost the rest of this stuff. So, pretty much, this was a brand new full bottle, so all that went through there. The Algae chemical that eats up all the algae. And we did some vacuuming yesterday when you still couldn't see anything. But we had some leaves down there, so we got more leaves we gotta take out. But this is how you do it. I didn't think it was gonna take this long. I thought it was gonna be a lot quicker. But hey, good things come to those who wait. I called one of those pool companies up and they wanted to charge like $110 an hour. I have no idea how long it's going to take for them to do it, because sometimes you just don't know, you know. But because I was ready to get fed up and say, you know what, let me just get the pool people over here and have them do it. But we took a sample yesterday and we brought it to the pool place, and they said, you got all the chemicals you need in there. Just keep filtering out the cartridge, cleaning out the cartridge, cleaning out the cartridge, and this is what happens. We just let it run. We let it run. Now we got a pool and clean water. Thank you, Jesus. It's pretty good. It's gonna get better. I mean, right now I can see the bottom, but I'd say maybe one more day it'll be crystal clear. But thanks for watching. Hope this helped you guys out. And I'm gonna say this on my YouTube, so just in case if this ever happens again, I know what to do. But that's it. Good luck on your pool. Don't be discouraged if you see it like all black, you know, because you can fix it. You can fix it with chemicals. All right, guys. Have a good one. Bye bye.